Hi everybody, Elvin Antigua here, and today I'd like to talk to you about functional obsolescence. Functional obsolescence is the reduction of an object's usefulness or desirability because of an outdated feature that cannot be easily changed. A good example of this could be maybe today you needed to build an extra bedroom because your family was growing and you decided to do so. But in doing that, you ended up taking up a lot of backyard space. Now, in the future, that could come to hurt you because that neighborhood might be known for its beautiful backyard or going outside. That's all your education for now. Please be sure to follow me at my Realtor Elvin on Instagram or Elvin Antigua on Facebook. And make sure to like, share, comment on my video. Any questions you have, I'm glad to answer. Talk to you soon.